The Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker PRO 8.5 quart multi-cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to replace several traditional cooking devices, offering a range of cooking functions in one pot. This model is part of Ninja's Foodi series and provides high performance for both everyday meals and more elaborate dishes. Here are the key details about the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker PRO. The Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker PRO has an 8.5 quart capacity, making it ideal for large families or gatherings. It can cook sizable portions of meals, such as roasts, stews, soups, and even whole chickens. The Foodi PossibleCooker PRO combines several appliances into one. It can pressure cook, slow cook, sear, sauté, steam, bake, broil, and even air fry, with an additional air fry lid. This multifunctionality saves space in your kitchen and provides numerous cooking options at your fingertips. This model incorporates Ninja's PossibleCooker technology, which is designed to offer high-quality cooking results, whether you're simmering, sautéing, or pressure cooking. The precision and versatility of the system help ensure that your meals are cooked to perfection every time. As a pressure cooker, it can cook food up to 70% faster than traditional methods, helping you prepare meals quickly without compromising flavor or tenderness. It also includes slow cooking capabilities, allowing you to set it and forget it for slow, low-temperature cooking that's perfect for stews, soups, or tender roasts. The PossibleCooker PRO includes an air frying function, which allows you to enjoy crispy, golden food with little to no oil. This function can be used for fries, chicken, vegetables, and other dishes that traditionally require frying. The cooker's sear and sauté settings help you brown meat, vegetables, and other ingredients right in the pot, without needing an additional pan. This makes meal prep easier and faster, and it allows you to develop rich flavors through browning and caramelization. The cooking pot features a nonstick ceramic coating, which helps to ensure that food doesn't stick during cooking, making cleanup easier. The ceramic surface also provides even heat distribution for more consistent results. The auto pressure release valve makes it safer and easier to use the pressure cooking function. It takes the guesswork out of pressure cooking and minimizes the risk of burns or accidents. The unit may come with various accessories, such as a crisping lid for air frying, and possibly a steaming tray, depending on the exact bundle. Accessories can vary by retailer or package. The digital control panel is intuitive, allowing you to select your desired cooking method with just a few taps. The large, easy-to-read screen makes it simple to adjust temperature, time, and cooking function. The Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker PRO includes several built-in safety features for peace of mind, particularly when using the pressure cooking and air frying functions. These features include auto-locking lids, pressure release valves, and overheat protection. The stainless steel construction provides durability and a sleek look for your kitchen. The non-stick ceramic-coated pot makes cleaning easier and ensures food doesn't stick. It is designed to be large and capable, but also compact enough to fit in most kitchen cabinets when not in use. The Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker PRO 8.5 quart multi-cooker is a powerful and versatile cooking appliance that can tackle a wide range of meal prep tasks. Its ability to pressure cook, slow cook, air fry, bake, sauté, steam, and more makes it a true all-in-one solution for busy home cooks. The large capacity and the addition of air frying make it especially suitable for families or those who entertain frequently. If you're looking for a convenient and multifunctional kitchen tool, this model is a strong contender. I think it's a great programmable the Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker PRO, with reasonable price, so I highly recommend it. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like. Click on the link in the description box to the Ninja MC1001 Foodi PossibleCooker PRO. Thanks for watching this video.